How to really get rid of fruit flies fast. Fruit flies are small, gnat-like insects that can be seen buzzing around your kitchen. These vexing bugs can be a nuisance all year, but they're most prevalent in the summer and early fall. This is due to their preference for ripe fruits and vegetables. Although they prefer to breed in overripe fruits and vegetables, they will also breed in garbage disposals, garbage cans, and cleaning rags. Once fruit flies have invaded your house, there are several things you can do to combat them. 1. Vinegar Trap. Place a minimal amount of a cider-type vinegar such as red wine, balsamic, or apple cider vinegar in the bottom of a bowl or cup. Cover the top tightly with plastic wrap and use a rubber band to keep the plastic wrap in place. Make a few tiny holes in the top, which will allow the flies to enter, but not get out. 2. Banana Trap. Create the same trap as previously, but instead of vinegar, use a ripe banana or other fruit as bait. 3. Liquid Soap Trap. Combine water, a few drops of dish soap, and a tablespoon or 2 of cider vinegar in a small bowl or cup. The fruit flies will be drawn to the vinegar, while the dish soap will break the surface tension of the liquid, allowing them to fall in and drown. To keep the flies contained, you may want to use the plastic wrap across the top as with the previous 2 methods. 4. Carnivorous Plant. Buy yourself a carnivorous sundew plant for your kitchen. These plants are popular among gardeners because they attract fruit flies on their sticky leaves and then consume them. As a result, the plants give a long-term solution to your fruit fly problem. 5. Basil Plant. Consider placing a basil plant near your fruit dish or scattering basil leaves directly on fruit since basil contains a repelling component for fruit flies. 6. Essential Oils. Strong fragrances repel fruit flies, so soak a sponge in lavender oil or place cedar balls on your counter where you store fruit. Now here are a few tips for preventing fruit flies altogether. Remove damp towels. After you've used them, don't leave damp kitchen towels or dish rags laying about as they can serve as a breeding site for fruit flies. Keep the drain clean. Fruit flies love to reproduce in the drain, where fragments of decaying fruit and vegetables typically stay. Cleaning out the drain in your kitchen sink with ice or apple cider vinegar will help. Check for rotten produce. Thousands of fruit flies can be bred from a single decaying potato or onion left in the back of a closet or a fruit juice leak under a refrigerator. Wash incoming produce. Fruit flies can be accidentally brought home from the grocery store in the form of eggs, so cleaning fruits and vegetables as soon as you come home is really important. Most people don't consider to wash bananas, however, they can be coated with sticky substances from other products, which attracts fruit flies. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.